Hello everyone, it's me Levester, and I just wanted to hop on here and share with you how I recently used ChatGPT to help me with my Unity project here. And you've probably seen ChatGPT around in different tutorials on how people used it for like different game mechanics, but in my case, I used it to create a script to help me talk to Firebase for user authentication and data storage. So Firebase is a it's a Google Cloud service, and like I said on here, you can use it for user authentication. You can use it to store data, your game data, and variables and things like that. You also can use it to host WebGL games, and I've used it for my WebVR, some of my WebVR games to host online for free. The service pretty much just scale with your demand. So if you don't have a lot of demand, then you pretty much can use the services for free. And like I said here, Firebase, it uses authentication um, and databases so you can store your game data and things like that. And I had a script that like created this stuff and using this stuff, but I couldn't find it. So instead of taking like 30 minutes to an hour, like bouncing back between documentation and my code to write this script, I used ChatGPT, and all I did was I asked it, "Can you write me a script to log in and register users to Google Firebase?" And it gave me the script, and it worked. It worked pretty good, and it gave me what I needed. There were a couple issues. It wasn't really issues, but it's just some code in there that really wasn't necessary. So all I did was just copy this and brought it over to my script here and pasted it over here. And like I said, there were some like lines in here that weren't necessary, so I just deleted those. And I wanted to use TextMesh Pro, so I just imported TextMesh Pro and replaced some of those string values with my TextMesh Pro values. But other than that, it worked pretty well. So that was my first question, is just to make a simple script to log in and register users. But then I took it a step further. And after they logged in, I want to be able to switch to another scene. So they log in, register, then they switch to another scene, and it updated the script for that. And then finally, I wanted to create a directory for the user so they can store their information. And then it also did that for me. So like I said, it really cut down on my time making this script. I made this probably like 5 minutes versus having to code it in like 30 minutes myself. Um, and I would say the one good thing is just me knowing Firebase and using it over time. I just know what to look for and how it's supposed to be written. So I made sure like things were written correctly. And like I said, it works and everything. It saved me time. So if I go here, back to Unity, I can show you. Once I brought it in here, I just copied it, put it on the script, and filled in my boxes here. And if I hit play, I can show you that it will register a new user. So I'm going to go to Firebase right quick. So you can see my list of current users, and these are all fake emails. So um, you can see here, those are there. If I go back to Unity, let it play. Put in that email. And a password. I can hit register. And you can see there, it registered me a new user. I go back to Firebase and refresh. You can see I got a new user there. So just a little, like I said, I just want to hop on real quick and show how another use case for ChatGPT. Um, and hopefully this will inspire you to do something yourself. If you need user authentication, if you want a tutorial on Firebase and how to use it and things like that, just let me know. If you have any questions, just comment below and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.